Welcome back, my esteemed viewers. Thank you for tuning in to this video, which will be taking you through the very popular and very important reference of Word document. In a Word document, which is usually seen a lot of times, for example, in books, for those who write books and edit them, for the editors of books and different things like reports, we shall be going through what they call what we shall term as the table of contents. A table of contents is basically something that appears on the first pages within the first pages of a book or a report, showing you references of the different topics within the report or the book or the novel, depending on the document you are working on. I've gone ahead and created a sample document about that. This is our sample document. Yes. After editing it very well, uh, after editing it very well, first step we are going to have to make is to justify it. And for those who do not know how to justify, we are going to control. You select the whole document. You select the whole document. That is it. Left click on your cursor and then drag the cursor over your work. Or another thing you can do, you can use the keyboard shortcut Control A. That simply highlights all your work. So now what you are going to do next to justify. We're going to justify our work by clicking on this icon on the in the home button. Under the paragraph section, we have this icon that has also a keyboard shortcut Control J to justify our work. Yes. So after justifying our work, we can now go ahead. The table of contents, we are first going to edit our work in such a way that we make the work to configure the headings depending on the type of heading you want. So we are going to first put our cursor on the first heading, which is the topic of the study or the report, and click on this where the cursor is. We are having the heading tab, so we click on that. Then here we go ahead and click heading 2 for those headings we want to appear as the subsections of the heading, the bigger heading. So after there we go, even this one, physical development, we shall put it as heading 2. Then for these ones, these smaller, let me say this 0 to 3 months, 4 to 6 months, we can put it as heading 3. So after putting a cursor, but you have to make sure your cursor is in the work, exactly in the work. Yes, so put it as that, and that. Yes, so after editing all our to the different styles as I've showed you, yes, I've done it to reduce on the time for the video. So when you follow that, you can now go ahead and first insert. You go to the insert tab, insert a new page where we are going to put the table of contents. So we shall go to the um, insert a blank page just before our document. Yes. Sorry, I see that we have got two different documents. So let me first remove the other. We are yes. So after, we can now go to this blank page of ours, and now After that, we go to the home tab. Sorry, we go to the references. I told you table of contents is a reference, so we go to references. After references, we select this icon, the table of contents. We click. You go here. You can put the automatic table 1, automatic table 2, manual table where you can add just a lot of more things. But for me, let me go for table 1. That will bring now us to our table of contents, which is this. As you can see, it is table of contents, infant module, introduction, this, that, tip, you get. So we have all our work summarized here, and we can reference easily show our readers that now this topic is on this page, this topic is on this page, and whenever you update automatically, whenever you update the document, let me say you have updated it. Now we have got another, let's say from before by, then we put probably something like highly active. It can help us to, you can still go just and select here and make it as something to be the same as this heading 3 style, such that it can easily just appear. It can appear, yes. So soon. Yes, so there you have it, our esteemed viewers. We have covered today what we call a table of contents, and we have learned several other tricks like keyboard shortcut of saving, of highlighting. So thank you so much for tuning in up to this point in time. I want to say goodbye to you, and please stay tuned for more videos by subscribing, liking, and commenting, and also hitting the notification button to be posted. Thank you.